Hi sweeties, today it's another day and I'm here for an update. As you can see at the back, because today's Friday, they knocked off early, hence you can see at the back it's complete. So they took this wall up and they also that side I showed you yesterday. So the only wall that is left is this one, and and they promised that by next week it'll be done, then get placed there and other things, we move on to other things. This has been going on for a long time, so yeah, I was only here to update you. Yeah, so I'm also lying, they also need to put on a wall here and a wall there. So yeah, angazi 1 2 3 4 kusho 21 days or the night for the door here, mom. So yeah, that's the only thing, those are the only things that are left. Finally there is direction and keep. So see you guys next week when there's another update. Hi sweeties, I'm super tired. I'm sure you can tell from my face. I just came back from work and yeah, I'm here to update you. It's been a while not speaking to you guys, and that's because there was slow progress. So let's get into this. So our wall, remember this wall was not here, was half. So our wall is finally up. I don't know what else am I missing, can't remember, but all the walls are up. I think there's something that needs to happen even there. I don't know, maybe they need to add 2 rows and kosho, and then my bathroom is still doesn't have a wall yet, so we put it somewhere. We paused a little bit, it's a bit windy, I'm not too sure if you can hear me, I hope you do. So we paused a bit, and yeah, probably once they're done I'll come back this side. There are other reasons why we paused besides that, but yeah. So the next step is to, they wrote a list again, but it's bound to happen apparently when you are building. I love how I look, the lighting is great. It's bound to happen when you are building, so they wrote another list for 100 blocks. I'm assuming it's for the bedroom walls, as you would have seen that they are not finished, and those 2 rows, then probably with blocks we are done. Then we start with the roofing. Okay, my plan is to start with the roofing, then plaster, then windows and doors. So that's the initial plan. After that, painting, interior decoration and all that jazz, then so on. But this will definitely be a series. I'm thinking after building and roofing and plastering, then we'll start with, I don't know if there's enough footage. Y'all already know that I don't like videos that are longer than 16 minutes. 16 minutes is my max, so we'll see where this whole thing ends. And yeah, it's gonna be a lot of parts. So yeah, I'm only filming this. I think I told you beginning of this that I'm doing this so that someone can be motivated and they could see that this is this is a process. You don't just wake up unless uphumelele imali. Mina unfortunately angiphumelanga imali lutho nje. So I'm starting from scratch, from my savings, from my savings, from my salary, from every coin that I'm trying to make, it goes to this. So yeah, this is a motivation for umuntu ongaphumelanga imali, that you can also do it. I don't earn like a huge amount or a big amount rather, but I'm able to do that. That's the update, and I hope you get motivated and realize you don't have to do things all at once. Yeah, as long as you have a startup, I don't know startup what, but if I could tell you, these blocks, they've been here for a year before I could start using them. You can start buying now, maybe start building in 2 years or in 3 years. It's all up to you, and don't let anyone pressurize you in saying you don't need to stay with material in your place. Wara. That's motivation because you have a project that you need to start. Once you start, you are gone. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. I'm going to work again. I was just here to update you. See you guys when there's something that is happening. Hi sweeties. We are outside and I'm here to update you. Things took a turn, and yeah, let me just update you. So yesterday I went to pay the balance of the roofing, and then also settle the plastering material, right? And then I went to build it and bought electricity material, because I'm planning, once they're done with the roofing, then we do electricity, summer, then plumbing, right? So yeah, let me show you. So these just got delivered now. Excuse me. Uthayela ngesizulu mabasho amaplanka lawa, and I chose uthayela because of other reasons, but lo doesn't make noise like the old Tyler. But that is not even a train smash because it has a fire ceiling, so I'm not worried as much. Then also itina is 200 abathiba yasifuna. That's the outside toilet. The outside toilet is not yet done, so I'm assuming later is 200 is to put the toilets, and also is to put the toilets, and remember the bathroom wall is still not there, and also put that, right? So guys, there are things that are inside the house and they are big. I can't show you. I can't really show you because it's a bit messy, but it's fine. The big things that I'm talking about is the pipe, the long pipe for electricity, you know, those pipes, and then the wire that they requested for roofing. Plastic economy. Nice guys, equal. Yo, ngiyasindela iproof, man. This just build it. Hey. So I'm not gonna like show you everything. I got these 10 of these, 8 actually, and then 5 of these. 2 of these. I'm going with the black plugs theme. One of these, I wanted 2 actually. So this one in a USB lab, you'll see once it's installed. 2 of these are just black box and switches, but I didn't buy the switch layer. I'm gonna buy them. I'll take you guys with me. Then I got this Anga's main switch, whatever. I got this and I thought ipumanama, you know, like lamakaka. It turns out that I still need to buy my plugs or whatever they call it. Then Lana is some of the plumbing stuff, so I bought this shower whatever. Maybe it's another shower arm. Yeah, this is the shower arm. It is too long. And then this is the shower mixer. Impompi. Bo, you get. I think you can already tell the aesthetic of my bathroom. Like, I'm more interested on the bathroom than anything else. Like, I'm interested in everything, but the bathroom takes first priority. Then I got this shower rose square shower head. Alright guys, this brand this one shame, please just Google for yourself because I mean I don't know how many times. So my plan now is that tomorrow the Abomalumi, the guys, but they're old. Abomalumi, they're coming to finish the roofing. Okay, this is my plan, and this is how I'm hoping everything will go. Abomalumi, they'll come and finish the roofing. Then from roofing, my dad will do the electricity and plumbing. That's one thing I'm so excited about because I am cutting costs on that, so I like there's no labor because it's my dad. He's going to do the electricity and plumbing for me. Then simultaneously when they do electricity and plumbing, I'm expecting good bafake windows and doors. We did a quotation yesterday and but it's fine, they're gonna do that. Now the blocker is the roofing. Once the roofing is done, then we're on to electricity, plumbing and windows. And then once windows are done, because they told me they need to put windows before they can plaster. So once the windows are done, then we do a plastering. Then we are done. We have a skeleton, right? Then we do the insides. So that is basically my plan. And yeah guys, it's not an easy journey. Like, it is not easy. Eating ube financially and emotionally ready because and eating ukuthi uyazi know where to get what, who is going to do what, get the measurements and everything. Imagine we are looking for someone who is going to do our tiling because it's quotation is skeleton, no battle material, none, it's done. Now we need to start with the interior. We're looking for someone who's going to do the tiling, and the person we thought was going to do our tiling, the day that we called Uguti, is this person available? They're like, hey bro, this person just passed away today as you're asking them. Yo, bad. So we are looking for someone else who's going to do our tiling. And yeah, sitoli quotation is to our measurement so that we buy and we start with whatever. So yeah, that's the updates guys. Yo, it's not easy. I've been depressed for, not really depressed, but I've been stressed for the past, I think 3 days. My shoulders were heavy. like, and also I had no one to talk to because lento la ibhekane nami, and I'm one person mangiqala into ngifuna ukuyiqeda, and I think his spirit is in keep her going and finishing whatever that I've started. So yeah guys, that's basically the updates. So I'll speak to you once the roof is done, give you the updates, then we'll go together to buy plumbing stuff, then electricity, plumbing, bese sokhuluma kahle ke ukuthi what's next. So yeah, see you guys when there's an update.